Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm sorry a little bit. So as you see, I'm sorry. I'm in adorable home again. Home again. I don't know how that happens, but okay. So first I'm gonna do by the way, guys, if you haven't known, actually, I thought I was invisible for a while, and Toby and Snow was relaxing in the bedroom, so I take care of